Okay, y'all, this is my 1999 Honda Accord, and I don't know what's wrong with it. I replaced the battery. It's a new battery on the inside, and it has coolant and everything in it, and all that jazz. And I don't know what's wrong with it, but it won't start. Like, it'll start, but it won't turn over, like, completely. And I'm gonna just show you. Okay, that's that. You can hear it cut on and stuff like that. And then this is what happens when I try to crank it. That was nothing, just nothing. Nothing. Honestly, it sounds like it locked up, but I don't know why. So if you have any suggestions, or if you're a car person and you know, or you just have general knowledge of cars, you can help, that'll some advice or something, then that'll be great. And just leave comments and stuff, and thank you.